The El Sauk estate at the gates to the Montseny Natural Park is an exceptionally beautiful place. The view of the Bertí cliffs, the silence, the proximity of Aiguafreda de Dalt, the sunny weather and the protection from the wind are just some of the reasons that make this a privileged spot not only for people but for animals as well. We are very close to La Plana de Vic, a cooler and moister area known for its pork products, especially for its longaniza or cured sausage. Salgot has been part of this tradition for over 8 decades, thus contributing to the consolidation of a profession and an industry. Antoni Salgot y Sentías opened his first sausage factory on the main square of Aiguafreda in 1928. At that time, there were only 4 workers who made sausages by hand or using very rudimentary machinery. Transporting them to Barcelona was quite an ordeal. They had to be taken to the train station in a wagon, and once they were in Barcelona, they were distributed in baskets. Pere Salgot inherited this tradition, and today, the hopes and dreams of those beginnings are still very present, which is why we are constantly making improvements on the installations, the recipes, and the quality of our meat. The organic farm takes us yet one step further on this path, involving a deeper commitment to the environment, to society, and to the well-being of the animals. Our organic production has allowed us to provide consumers who are ever more aware of the processes involved with a product that meets their standards. Our collaboration with public bodies has been essential in making this project become a reality. Besides raising pigs, the organic farm also carries out research and is one of the first in adapting farm installations to receive visits from the general public. A carefully planned engineering project has made it possible to perform all of these functions in one single space, a former quarry. The farm installations have allowed us to recover, improve upon and reforest an area that had become quite abandoned. The most important decision was to have the buildings housing the pigs facing south, so the animals would have direct sunlight, which would in turn make them more comfortable. Each of these buildings is different, depending on the specific needs of its inhabitants, pregnant sows, suckling or weaned piglets. In every case, the animals enjoy large indoor and outdoor areas, and, as opposed to what occurs with intensive farming, these pigs are allowed to develop their natural instincts, maternal, social and play. Sanitation is of utmost concern on our farm. It is essential to take into account issues such as the distance from other animal farms or transportation routes, keeping the installations in proper hygienic conditions and assuring the well-being of the animals in order to prevent sickness and plagues and thus avoid the need for palliative treatments. Our pigs only eat organic feed, made from Mediterranean ingredients such as barley, wheat, peas and olive oil. Straw and fodder are also grown right here on El Sauk, without any chemical additives. Feed composition is one of our fields of research, as is genetics. The organic farm of Salgot participates in a research project which aims to select the breed of pigs that best adapts to the breeding conditions at El Sauk and provides top quality, healthy meat. The farm meets higher standards than those set out by law, aiming for sustainability both in the use of energy and in waste management. We have a small plant for biological treatment and purification and a system for composting manure. The farm is also designed to make use of catchment water and to reuse grey water for cleaning and irrigation. A biomass boiler is used to obtain water for central heating, although solar energy meets much of the demand for hot water and electricity. The final results of our labour are gourmet sausages, exquisite in taste, fragrance, colour and texture. Among the wide range of Salgot products, the organic line is a limited edition, but is representative of the variety and quality that set us apart.